Today we're going to talk about wheatgrass. Wheatgrass powder form. Very good to take. I usually take about 2 tablespoons. I put in water, and again, it's very good. It's basically considered a superfood, actually, antioxidant, and it's good for lowering your cholesterol, and especially for diabetics. It's very good for diabetics. I always would say consult with your local family physician, but that's just standard. But I'm sure your physician wouldn't have a issue with this. So definitely something to look into. It's good to have just for general health. And again, like I mentioned before, it's a superfood, so definitely have this part of your arsenal. And again, it's beneficial. Check in health stores. Health stores usually will have this, I should say. Most health stores would have wheatgrass. So look into it, check it out, Google it, and enjoy. Take care.